but I'm gonna not edit it because I want to go to bed already. Tomorrow we have volleyball pictures for, not for school, for out of school. And so I'm going to volleyball picture, hopefully eat that. I don't know which one I like better. The Coasters or the Tower 28. I like Pippa a lot. Did anybody see that? Okay, let's try again. Okay. Okay, it's kind of all over my mirror now. Literally, it's covered in Pippa, but that was my fault because I kind of probably pushed it a little bit too hard. I'm so mad because today I literally wasted the cutest outfit I had planned for literally the dumbest day ever. Oh my gosh. I'm just kind of mad because like, when I do that. Okay, how long am I going to be stomping this toothpaste for? Sorry guys. Remember, I'm not editing this, so. I'm trying to set a duration, so. Oh my gosh. That was a duration, thank you. Oh my god. I just broke a light bulb. I mean, not broke a light bulb, I hit a light bulb. I got this pink sweater. Cute little bow sweater. It's so adorable. Mary cup. It's literally the cutest. Tree Hut Peppermint Pearl Sugar Scrub. I'm so excited to try this one. And I got the Ordinary Niacinamide Serum Mascara that I've been wanting for like 3 years. To Hue pH Adjusting Lip and Cheek Balm from Florence. It was only $12. Okay. Dry shampoo, Benefit highlighter. It was only $17 today. And it's normally $35. So I'm so excited to try this. And Harper has it and it's so good. So pick ornaments. Cute little Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree is literally the cutest. I got this Vanilla Bean Noel hand soap. This literally is the best winter smell ever. I got the chai sugar cookie, and they literally have a Starbucks drink like this, and this is like the cute. It smells so good, so good. It's the Season hand sanitizer, Gingerbread Bakery hand sanitizer, Vanilla Sugar hand sanitizer, Pink Sparkling Spritz hand sanitizer, Vanilla Bean Noel body spray. This smells so good. Winter Candy Apple like foaming thing, and like, look at this. Mini native